Hi, I'm Leon, as in Napoleon Hess, but everybody calls me Leon because it's my nickname. And
Did you take my last soda?
Oh, no, I would never. Gosh.
Okay, but if I find out you did.
Sorry, that was my stepbrother. He can be a little much sometimes, but he really doesn't mean it, I think. Anyway, I'm making this video to help build up my confidence. You see, there's this girl, and she's really cool, and I was hoping to ask her to go out with me on a date to the movies. School. A dangerous place. The social hierarchy has ranked me as a nerd, geek, outcast. They all hate me. That's probably why they gave me such a short nickname. They want the least amount of interaction with me as possible. But that's okay, because the only approval that I need is hers. Hey, Kim. Hey, Kim.
What?
Hey, Kimberly.
Oh, hey.
I know we don't interact interact? It sounds so lame. I know we don't interact much. I was wondering if you'd like to go on a date sometime. I was wondering if you'd like to go on a date, but like if you can't, then that's totally okay, and if you don't want to, then that's fine too. I mean, that's completely fine. I understand, because if I was in your position, I was so scared to do this, and I just don't know.
I'd love to.
Yes, she said yes. She said yes. Oh my god. I have no clue what to do next. I never thought I'd get this far. We can go eat, we could watch a movie, we can drive around. Oh, I can drive. I have a driver's license.
Are you sure? You can barely handle yourself in a social interaction.
Car, not scary.
Right. A movie sounds great. How about we go see Army of Darkness? I think it's in the movie tavern right now for Retro Movie Week!
You watched Evil Dead?
Yeah, and Evil Dead 2 was awesome. I have to know what happens next. Call me.
Girl's number.
Hey, Leon!
Yeah?
Did you just ask out Kim?
Yeah.
Awesome, dude! That takes balls. I'm proud of you. Why do you look so petrified?
You mean you're not gonna kill me?
Dude, you act like we've never met. Again, we have morning classes together, we did that graphing project, and we read Spider-Man comics and they kept retconning Hobgoblin.
We did?
It was last weekend!
Who are you?
It's Peter, Leon.
Like Peter Parker!
That's what you said last time.
Part 1 is complete. I asked her out, but now
you have to prepare!
How did you get in here?
The door was unlocked. Okay, so you got today, tomorrow, and Friday to prepare for your date on Saturday. Do you know the 3 steps?
The 3 steps?
Number 1, check yourself. You want to look clean and smell nice.
And that means no 3-in-1s.
Number 2, dress yourself. How you dress is going to be crucial for this date.
This is easy. Look!
Nice fit, but no. You want to go with something a little more casual. You don't want to outdress her, but you want to look like you care.
I do care.
Buy everything yourself. Real men buy everything on their first date. You got the big bucks, right?
Yeah!
Oh man, you're broke.
Mrs. Pam!
No way!
Mrs. Pam!
Oh, Napoleon! I didn't know it was you. How are you doing? What can I do for you?
I'm doing so well. I was wondering if there was anything I could do for you for a little money. I was wanting to take this girl out on a date, you see.
Ooh, okay. I think I have the thing. Hold on, dearie. Could you watch my pet goat for me today?
Of course I can.
Oh, thank you. His name is Buddy.
Oh, hi, buddy. Oh,
Bye.
bye. Easy money. I have my date tomorrow. Nothing can go wrong.
Leon, you drank my last soda.
I didn't. It was a goat.
Leon!
Oh no, he's gonna kill me. Oh, what do I do? What do I do? No, no, no. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me.
I'm not gonna kill you.
But you hate me.
I don't hate you. I'm just annoyed at you.
And at that moment, Jared and I became brothers.
Where are you taking him?
To Miss Pam's, I guess.
Want to walk together?
Sure.
Oh, hi, Napoleon!
You should go back in perfect
Hello,
condition.
Jared. Oh, thank you so much. I really appreciate you boys. Let me grab my wallet.
Man, I love old people. They pay the best. I did 20 bucks. I didn't even do anything.
I got 50. It's a perfect amount for my date.
Date? With whom?
Kim.
This is when Peter told you 3 steps?
You know Peter?
Yeah, we all have morning classes together.
We do?
Yeah, we did that graphic project and read Spider-Man comics.
So I've been told.
So when is this date tonight?
Oh, no, it's tomorrow.
Oh, then that should give you plenty of time to go over the 3 steps.
Yeah, I got this. Step 1, check yourself. Step 2, dress yourself. Step 3, pay for everything yourself. Hey Kim, I'm on my way to pick you up. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it too. Alright, bye! Hi, I'm Napoleon Hess. Nice to meet you.
Wrong hand, but I appreciate the confidence. Hi, I'm Steven.
You're not killing him, are you?
Of course not, Kimberly.
Oh, Dad, don't use my full name. It's embarrassing. Well, should we get going?
Yeah.
Sorry about that. Did he try to intimidate you or anything?
Oh, no, he was fine.
Oh, trying to get on my good side, huh?
What? No, I would never want to. I want to be on your good side. I mean, like, oh, it's nothing. Think of it to be.
Relax. I'm just joking. But you are.
Oh.
So, how about this movie?
Oh, I am pumped. I cannot wait. Oh, it's gonna be so cool. He has that gnarly chainsaw hand. Oh.
Yeah. Who's laughing now? I'm really glad you asked me out. I've liked you for quite a while now, but I didn't even think you liked me, even as a friend.
Wait, really?
Yeah, I know it probably sounds dumb, but sometimes I feel like everybody really does hate me.
How? What? Everybody likes you. You're cool and you're funny and what?
Oh, thank you, but it's all just a facade. Sometimes I feel like if people really got to know the real me, they would just be annoyed. Sometimes I feel like you and other people really do hate me. I'm sorry, I know I said a lot.
Actually, I kind of feel the same. But then so many people started helping me out for no real reason besides actually liking me. People just think we're cool dudes.
And I said you couldn't handle yourself in a social interaction, but thank you for saying that you like me. I like you too.
Thanks, Kimberly. Kim. I'm so sorry.
It's alright, you can call me Kimberly. If you don't mind if I call you Napoleon.
It's okay. It's completely okay.
Don't need anything or anything.